I'm bored in this bed. I don't got nothing to fucking do, fam. So I'm probably finna just edit the video. You know what I mean? I thought I would do that to charge this goddamn. Man. Oh god damn, it need to be charged. Piece of shit. Can't stay starved for shit, can you, boy? Can you? Little bastard. You with black ass. You don't have charge right there, you little shit. Go ahead. Go ahead. Do it. You can do it if you put your mind to it, boy. For real though, I really want to edit some shit. I don't fucking know what's going on, but yeah. New channel probably on the way. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I've been doing a little gaming and I like editing gaming videos. I've been like that ever since before I even started YouTube. And it ain't like I'm big on YouTube, so I mean shit. But yeah, fam, we gonna start a new channel. That be called Fat Steez. My cat bit my face. We ain't gonna talk about it. We ain't gonna talk about it. But yeah, Fat Steez on YouTube, man. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all a bit. I'm finna go play the pets. Just like, yeah, pets. We finna play that shit. Probably PC on the way. I guess. Oh, that bit turn on. Yes, sir. Oh, that. Yeah, I can see that. Not the lock screen. But yeah, I found. But yeah. Shit. Let's see what the fuck we're working on, dude. But look, right. I already got the gaming video, fam. If you wanna be honest, my nigga, I already got the shit, cuz. You feel me? Make sure y'all fucking like and subscribe, yo, you know what I mean? Where is it? My little boy. It said like it's up, man. It said like it's up. Yeah, y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Like, yeah. What other purpose will I be doing these videos? I need likes. I need comments. And I need your little dirty ass to subscribe, fam. Like, come on, bro. Stop hiding that shit. Give it to me, nigga. Give it to me, cuz. But yeah, peace. Twin. Alright, so that bitch gonna be like that big.
Yeah, I got that bit already. Damn, I said big. I said bitch.
It be like that bitch ain't hold me down, just wait till I get my bands up.
Wait till I get my bands up. That shit come out, hold on. Bro, delete this shit.
I see that shit. You slow as shit. My boy, he ain't in this shit. I seen that shit.
I got it on. Yeah. He's right. Let's see that thing with me.
That bitch ain't hold me down, just wait till I get my bands up.
What?
Nigga, I sent it. Nigga, look at what I sent and read it.
Man, hold me down, just wait till I get my pants up. Oh.
That bitch ain't hold me down, just wait. This nigga keep saying that bitch hating on me, just wait till I get my bands up. Oh shit.
No, I got it right here. Man, hold it down, I just got my bands up.
Nigga, you don't got no bands up, so you don't got your bands up, so what the fuck? Nigga, you don't got no bands up.
Ben, hold me down. Nah, I got my bands up. Not my bands up. Yeah.
This shit. Goddamn.
That shit. No. Ain't fucking with that one. Ain't fucking with that one.
Alexa, stop.
Ben, hold me down. Wait till I get my bezel. Yeah, bezel.
Nigga still said it wrong.
God, I did not say it wrong.
Yes, sirski. God damn, I hope I ain't break that. I break this shit. Should I just break the box? What if I want to sell this bitch? God damn, bitch. Oh, God. Oh. Fucking piece of shit. There you go. Christmas, nigga. Fuck. Oh, shit. Nigga boy, shit. Nigga boy. Oh, I'm sorry. Right here. Apex finna feel like a dream in that bitch. Oh yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with it. What the fuck? What? Tell me, yes sir. Yeah, what the fuck I've been waiting on, fam. That bitch is clean. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, they did they best with that goddamn shit. In all the fucking way. Oh shit. Nigga, I was finna get pissed off, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, bitch, stop doing that shit. Damn. Nigga, it's already like that, nigga. Nigga, we speaking in Dutch, fuck it. Yeah, nah, cuz. Yeah, nah, let me see. Let's go into it. That's kind of sticking though. Yeah, like that. We gonna go armpit with this shit, fuck it. Armpit, stay up, bitch. Oh shit. It's not working. Fuck it, we gonna go armpit. Nah, I'll talk to my camera. I'm talking to my camera. Got my fucking PS4 disconnected and shit. Damn. I need to get on my gaming channel. Got a fucking unboxing though. Did that shit. See what they be talking about. Oh shit. Bro, what did you know from, bro? She just laughing at my eye.
What?
I ain't gonna lie, they be big.
Huh?
They more big. Like, look. Let me not put your ass in camera, but look. Like, this motherfucking big.
Oh, I thought you saw my too.
Yeah, that's going in the video. What you just after what you just said going in the video. I told her, bro, they smooth and grippable.
What?
What you holding on to right now? Digit, bro.
Yeah, they feel a little heavy.
A little heavy.
Drop. But they so jiggly though. Look.
How about you pour a bra on?
I want bras to go to sleep. They gotta breathe. Play Fortnite? What you doing?
Yeah, we can play Fortnite. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and shit.
Okay.
But you can stop doing what you're doing right now, though.
But I'm having fun though.
Huh?
I'm having fun though.
Why not do it off camera? Like doing the mirror or some shit.
Because it's fun showing you. Finish your video. You gonna finish your video?
So what?
You gonna finish your video? You should finish your video.
Alright. Shit.